Boy, open this door.
Open the door.
Anybody got time for all of that?
Come on, we really
got
don't have
for
time for
that.
none of that.
What's up, gang? It's your girl Joy,
It's your girl Diamond
and we are back.
with another one that's
Period.
okay.
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 So today, y'all, we decided that we are going to do the acting Ratchet challenge, well,
Yes.
prank on our siblings. Her siblings, really, but you know they mine too. And her kids,
And our kids.
my guy kids, just to see how they react to us.
Yes.
So,
Cause like the normal routine is just picking them up from school and stuff like that. So yeah, we just decided that we're gonna bring y'all along with us, so y'all can see how they react to us acting, you know, ratchet.
Real ratchet.
Just kind of put a little twist to it.
most
So they really not gonna know until they get in the car, cause this is a normal routine for us. You
Yeah.
know, they're gonna pick them up from school.
and we vlog, so they know that already.
Right,
So they're
so-
not gonna suspect anything. But
when they see this,
they're gonna be like, what the crap? Because we
Right.
got on the lashes,
the
y'all.
lashes, y'all.
We never wear 25.
I don't wear this. I
lashes.
don't.
Is a no.
Damn sure don't wear my hair like this.
At all. This is a normal no for us. So if we look real ratchet,
See, I wish y'all could see. You know, we look
crazy.
ratchet. We
Like
just do
her
ratchet.
shirt say tequila,
Yeah.
all that. Like it's about to be lit in here.
It is. I hope y'all enjoy this, because we about to have so much fun with this, y'all. I cannot wait to see how they gonna react to this.
Right. So y'all comment below if
You know someone that act like this all the time. I know everybody got that one person. Y'all know somebody
Yes.
that act like this all the
All
time.
time.
So make sure y'all comment and let us know.
this
you
is
know,
a normal them, honey. So just let us know below. Tell us what y'all think. Also, if y'all like this video, before we get into this video, make sure you stop right now.
right now.
Like, comment, and subscribe
Subscribe. Click that subscribe button like right now.
right now.
Yeah.
Don't wait until the end of this video, because you know you're gonna like it.
Exactly.
So stop playing. But yeah, so y'all, we about to get real ratchet. We about to act real ratchet. It's about to be up in him, because y'all, we from Baton Rouge, so we had to do it the
We
right
had
way.
to do the challenge, you know what I'm saying? Because just Ratchet City, we had to do the challenge to show y'all, okay?
Real ratchet way. Show y'all how we really do it.
I'm dead.
Okay.
But yes, I am excited. I hope y'all like it. We about to get to it.
All right, guys. So we gotta go, because we gotta pick up dinner. And yeah, bye, y'all.
Bye. Okay, y'all. He about to get in the car. He about to get in the car. He about to get in the car. Joy, don't make me laugh, okay? Please
I'm
don't.
trying not to.
Oh,
Oh my
and then
God,
these
they looking at
people,
us.
the
Oh,
teachers,
Jesus.
y'all, the teachers.
It's them for me.
Oh, Lord.
It's them for me.
And why my child? Oh, Lord. Have mercy.
I'm not strong enough for that.
Hey, Teacher Joy.
Hey,
Hey, Stang.
what you got going on? How was school today?
Good.
It was good.
Yes, sir.
What you had did? What they was teaching you?
So I was learning about Miss Adam was up in there, and I was learning about how to subtract and
And baby, because you know, I ain't know none of that stuff when I was in school, child. No. How that lunch food was?
nasty.
That's how it was when we was up in school too.
You want some chicken nugget?
Yes.
You want some chicken nugget?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I had some Miss Thibodeau.
You did what?
I had some Miss Thibodeau.
Oh.
What? Why you looking like that?
None.
Why you looking like that?
Because you're talking real.
How am I talking, son? You know I talk like this every day. You know me and TT Joy talk like this all the time.
All the same.
So what is you talking about?
No.
You want to come play at this park?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
And if somebody touch you at this park, you tell me, okay? So I can tell them, don't touch him.
Exactly.
No, I'm not gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna beat them up.
Hold on now. Cause we, we told you. Yeah, that's what you do.
All right, go ahead, Stanker.
All right.
All right, Doodle.
All right.
All right. Cause you're talking weird.
I don't know. You're just talking weird.
Yeah, this is so funny.
dead, dude. So we about to let him play at the park for a little bit or whatever, and then after that we had to go get my sisters and stuff. So we will be back to let y'all see how that go.
Yeah.
Now we gotta go get Lexi.
So get the food first.
Baby, we gonna get
We
that
gotta get the food
food.
after we get Lexi. We can't be leaving to go to school because my she gonna be talking about us like a dog. Okay.
You have fun at the park?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well you say that, cause you know I be having
playing
to
with
get your
them children.
appreciation. I see you playing out there with them children running around.
I had one. My friend was there, and then that girl had said she thought she would. Thought I want to play. I said yeah.
Oh, okay. They had better been nice because we was gonna be in there like swimwear. Stop playing.
Swim team, baby.
Dive up in there.
Come on, ma'am, let me get through this.
Okay. You see me trying to get our happy out from school.
Thank you, baby. Where is Lexi? Good, hold on, girl, cause I got to call her. Good, let me call her.
I probably
She better be coming out here with all these other children. Cause yesterday she was sitting out there right on time. Ma, Lexi knew she had to come to carpool today.
Yeah, I told her. She got out the car and she said, okay.
All right, cause I don't see you.
You called her?
She didn't answer that phone.
Why are you talking like that?
see. That's what I said.
Thank you.
Oh,
Okay, well,
don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm gonna see, cause she still ain't out here. I'm gonna see.
Oh, you talking like Joy.
Okay, don't play with me like that. Hold on, now. Don't play with me like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna see, cause she ain't.
Yeah, call her.
Oh, there she go.
Oh, there she go. There she go. All right.
All right.
Told you.
Make sure you.
What you told us?
No, no.
Hold on, I gotta keep my composure.
Go. Where you
Where you was at? Cause I sure was sitting down here for the longest.
We wasn't sitting out here the longest.
Yes, we was.
Yes, we was. Where you was at, baby?
No, I was inside. And why y'all acting like that?
Because baby, because I was here right on time, and your tail was not out here.
It's a no for me because I don't be liking to wait all that time. I be having stuff to go do. I got stuff to do.
Exactly.
Okay.
Come on, this bus, they gotta come on. I got to go. I
Don't
got
make
to
no
go.
sense.
It really don't. It really don't.
We wasn't out here.
And I'm hungry. We was out here for buku long. They didn't come out here.
Oh, no, we didn't. We was at the park.
We was out here for buku long.
No, we wasn't.
Ma'am, please don't come up to this car.
Oh, my God.
It's a no for me.
It really is.
It's a no.
I'm not understanding why they not going. Like, what is going on?
Mama, because that car in front of us.
Good.
Don't be trying to tell us to go. We know.
Thank you, baby. I know.
This car. Shoot.
Shoot, you still talking some. I know. Sure. I ain't got time for this, no. And I'm hungry.
No sense. Show is.
You hungry?
I want some McDonald's.
No, we getting the
You said you want some nuggets.
You said you ain't wanted some chicken nugget.
I do, but they got chicken nuggets that
I got me some dill pickle chips. Y'all just gonna be hungry because I got me some.
Oh, good. Please, you know that's my favorite. Don't do me like
I'm
that.
not giving you no
Give me some of these
I'm
chips.
not giving you no chips. Cause you should have brought your own chips. I should have brought your own chips. I got some pie. You want some pie?
Some what?
Some pie.
Oh.
she talking about pie.
That's what I said.
That,
She be acting like she don't want to say what I said. I said I want some pie. I got some.
You said that.
Oh, these red lights just not it for me. It ain't it for me, baby, at all.
Cause I'm tired of these lights. We done been tired about lights all this time.
Oh,
Get y'all.
Jay, for real. This don't make no sense.
It's the lights for me.
I wish I could pass up all the red lights.
Yeah, baby, we wish we could fly over these cars and stuff.
You had a good day at school, Lexi? Them teachers ain't messing with you, huh?
No.
They better not be.
What y'all had for lunch?
Chicken nuggets.
Y'all had the chicken nugget? Girl, I knew it. Cause my fat love him some chicken nugget. With that barbecue sauce.
You be eating it with the barbecue sauce?
Girl, he loves it with that barbecue sauce.
Okay.
He loves it. You had yours, you was dipping it in the sauce, Lexi?
Yes.
Girl, I already know.
They had the barbecue sauce there too?
Good, now bitch y'all was
Nah,
drinking.
y'all got barbecue sauce at that school. We got a problem because I didn't have no barbecue sauce. We had to get ketchup, girl. We had to get ketchup.
Indeed. But what you drink with that? That milk? The chocolate milk? Good.
In the bag. The milk in the bag.
I bought me a juice.
Oh, good. She bought her juice. Girl. She
Okay,
bought her
girl.
juicy juice.
That's
You know
right.
we love that juicy juice.
Okay.
We love that juicy juice.
Okay. You heard me. Now we got to get Emma. Emma,
Baby, stop
ready,
looking at my face. I know. Stop looking at me.
Cause baby, Lexi was not ready. Lexi was not ready at all.
Oh, baby, I'm gonna need Lexi to get in the middle.
Go on, scooch it over, baby.
Scoot it over, baby.
Whoop.
Whoa. Where she at, girl? Hold on, cause you know I gotta embarrass her. I'm gonna put this window all the way down.
Oh no.
Yes, ma'am.
Lexi about to take him.
Hold on.
Mama, Emma, I did.
Oh, that shit go. Hold on, cause I
What
want
she
her-
at, girl? Emma! Hi, Emma!
Joy.
Hi, Emma, girl. You ready to go, girl?
Come on, child.
Come on, girl.
How you get today?
We been out today, Emma, baby.
We doing our vlog.
See, Lexi, baby, that's how you be on time, girl. That's how you be on time.
You be out there waiting for me to pull up. You must be waiting for me to pull up. Why? Because you do.
You be ready to go, baby.
Emma be on go. She be on go, honey.
I had a feeling you was gonna, but I thought you was gonna be in Joy car.
You had a feeling what, baby?
I had a feeling that Joy was gonna be with you. But
Why you think
I
that?
don't know. I was just thinking.
Oh, so now she raving, girl.
Girl, now she psychic, girl. She had an intuition, girl. Girl, I'm not about to play with her, no. I am
She
not.
psychic, girl. She got them superpowers. Give me the vision. Daddy, I'm having a vision.
You are so damn. Oh, shucks.
Baby, Emma, how your day was, Emma? Where you at, girl? How your day was?
You stop hiding over here.
Oh my God, y'all really won't.
You better say, if you was, hey. Stop
She kind of
playing.
shy, y'all. She kind of shy.
Because she don't like cameras in her face.
But baby, let me tell you something. She gonna have to start liking cameras on her face because baby, we vlogging today.
Look at his bald head tail.
Who that is?
Behind him yesterday.
Good. I ain't gonna say his name.
What y'all
Good,
doing the
okay,
same
his name
thing for
good.
y'all be talking like this?
What
I
you
don't know what you're
talking
talking about, Emma, because you know this is us all the
Okay.
time. Don't do that. Do not do me that. Don't do me.
Start at
Yeah.
YouTube.
Get out.
It's a different old person.
Don't do me.
I don't do that every time.
about? Yes, baby, we do this every day. I don't know what you're talking
What you talking
about.
about? Like,
I don't.
Yes, we do.
we do this all the time.
Baby, we about to get lit in this car.
Mm-hmm.
We do this every time we go somewhere. I don't even know what y'all talking about.
And now we gotta go get Libby.
Okay. The queen bee.
We gotta go.
We gotta go drop her out to her daddy, to my baby daddy.
Okay. Shout out to her baby daddy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, we in a roller coaster. This ain't no car.
OMG.
I was driving so I could speed.
Emma, what's the tea, girl? You ain't got no tea?
Baby, because I know that high school drama be,
Be on that poppin'.
yeah, girl. It be lit.
It be lit down here.
Girl, what happened at that school? You know, we ain't been there in centuries because we old now.
You ain't gonna say
Emma,
Ain't nothing from getting off the camera.
you better stop acting like that.
She better stop that.
Cause our viewers gonna see this, and they gonna be like, that girl right there is stuck up and bougie. You better start acting like that.
She camera shy.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Y'all look at her. Tell her, hey, say hi, everybody.
Lexi, tell the camera, hey, Lexi. Oh,
What
there
I
you go.
do?
Dinner.
Hey.
Really?
Hey, what up?
Okay. Okay, young boy.
Oh.
Mm.
Whoa.
Jesus! That girl trying to kill me, Lord. Please. Let me get that police right there.
Let me slow my tail down, baby, because these police supposed to be playing no games up here. And I ain't got time for no ticket, no.
No, baby, we can't pay
At all. Ain't nobody about to pay
that.
that.
Because I ran off on the judge twice.
You stayed in the court. Ask you where you was at, girl, trying to get this, pay this ticket.
Good.
Trying to get this ticket off.
Trying to pay this ticket.
Good.
Okay, Emma Lou Bob, I'm going to need you to go up here and go to this.
Wait. I ain't called her, you called her.
Lexi, baby, it's the mask for me. What you got the mask on for? What you got the mask on for?
Because probably she think one of us got the corona.
Good.
Oh, so you think we got coronavirus?
No.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Good.
What happened over there?
I don't know.
Baby, ain't no
Let me
feeling.
call him and let him know I'm about to be on the way.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, you called?
Yeah, I was just trying to see if you was at the house.
Why you talking like that?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Huh?
That's what I said.
Ain't nobody talking like
Ain't
that.
nobody talking like that. I'm just trying to see if you at the house so I can go drop this good off.
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, I'm gonna let you know when I'm outside. Alright.
Stop talking like that.
Talking like what, son?
You talking the same. You didn't talk the same way. You talking different.
Baby, this is how mama talk. You know mama talk like this all the time. When I drop, leave it off then. I'm not making no extra stops. Okay?
She said what she said.
And that's on period.
That's on Mary had a little what?
Lamb.
You heard the real. You heard what he said.
What'd you say?
Cause stop playing.
Stop playing with me. I don't know why everybody calling my son. Why you talking like that?
Why you talking like that?
Baby, that's just how I talk.
Why your granny talking like that? Stop playing.
Come on, man. That's how we talking. Give me some chips.
I ain't give you none of my chips. I know I keep asking for my chips.
Girl, you know that's my favorite kind.
I got some
Give me some
chips.
chips.
Stop eating my chips. You always eat my food up.
Go.
Girl, I always eat my food.
Enjoy.
Baby, you should be hitting gripping.
Huh?
I got one of your pie.
Baby, all I got is a key lime pie. Yeah, I got a key lime pie.
And you gonna have to wait because you ain't about to have that all over my
I don't know
car.
what I call.
And you ain't got nothing to eat that with.
Cause I ain't got no fuck, baby. You was gonna have to be real rich, baby.
Ooh, them dill pickle chips be hitting.
But they be hitting a spot. Okay.
You had a good day at school? Okay. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Cause what?
Because I want my biscuits because I want to eat it.
You're gonna eat it. You're gonna eat the biscuit, baby. You're gonna eat the biscuit. You're gonna eat the biscuit.
Man, about your biscuit. I'm gonna have to get you another biscuit, okay? It's okay.
We gonna get you one. Put a smile on your face, baby. Put a smile on your face.
We're gonna have to make you happy.
Put a smile on your face, boo-boo. Put a smile. Say cheese. There you go. There you go.
Why are you talking like that?
Talking like what, baby?
Yeah.
This how mama talk. You know mama talk like that all the time. You know mama talk like that all the time, Libby Lou.
No, you don't.
Yes, she do.
No, she don't.
Yes, she do.
No, you don't.
Yes, that girl do talk like that all the time. I don't even know what y'all up in here talking
Talking
about.
about.
You don't talk like that, Teacher Joy.
Yes, I do be talking like
that.
this. I do be talking like
said,
that.
why y'all talking like that? Grandma said, why y'all talking like that? Dad said, why y'all talking like that? And Alexa said, why y'all talking like that?
That's because y'all don't be listening.
Y'all don't be paying attention to us at all.
We do be paying attention, but y'all don't talk like that never.
I cannot deal. Pickle. I cannot deal pickle. I can't. I'm weak. I see you had went to the park yesterday.
What
You
part?
had fun?
What part? I went to the other part. Wait, here? No, I want to see it.
Your dad had it on the phone.
What you want?
She's trying to see when she went to the park because they videoed it. But I ain't got it on my phone good.
But how you seen it?
Because he sent it to me.
I want to see. I want to see.
I mean, he ain't sent it to me. I seen it in person. You're going to have to wait. Okay? Okay?
And why are you talking like
Talking like what?
Like that.
Well, this is how I talk. This is how God made me. I don't know why he made me like that.
Mama.
But
Oh, why you talking like that? Period. Poo.
because that's how I talk. You know, I always say that. Period. Poo.
No. Mama.
What, baby? What? I'm cute. Yeah, get your joy.
Don't
waste it in my
mama.
car. Just get one out and give it back to her. Now give it back to TT Joy.
Come on now. You done found your mama dinner. Your mama right here. What you had to go look for her for?
So what are you talking about?
Where you was at when you were not at my school?
I was at home.
Did you go with him?
Yes. Why y'all up in my business?
Boy, open this door.
Open the door.
Anybody got time for all of this?
Come on, we really
got
don't
time for
have
this.
time for none of that. Why is so dark up in here?
I just got back here.
But we need light up in here.
Exactly.
What you
I
doing?
can't see nothing.
What y'all got going on?
We vlogging like like we normally be doing. Normal day.
You got something to eat up in here? Cause I'm hungry.
You know I ain't got nothing to eat in here.
Yeah, somebody.
This her report card.
Leave it go. Your daddy acting like he don't got nothing to eat up in here. He know he got some food up in here.
Oh, here go her report card.
You did good.
Did I do good with what?
He don't know what to do.
I see that every day. What y'all want to know? A regular flower, y'all?
It's a regular ball, Jeffrey.
You want a popsicle liquor? No, you do.
Alright.
What about? Oh, I thought you were giving us a popsicle.
Y'all want to go to
We don't want no popsicles. We want some food.
Ain't none.
Yeah.
Okay,
My
baby.
baby can't be eating no. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you. She needs to have real food.
She gonna get some real food. She got some red beans in her.
Oh, but we couldn't have no red beans. We just asked you. We couldn't have no red beans.
He offering us a popsicle.
Yeah.
We want a popsicle. Oh, baby, get my earring off the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, no, thank you, baby. I don't want to because you girl, I can't be chewing on it. Done pop my earring out my ear.
She going about 5, 6 o'clock.
What?
I'll tell your mama.
Yeah.
Open this.
Okay.
Open this.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Hey,
Give me a kiss.
But Mama.
Just give me a kiss.
I just stay with my daddy all day.
Bloop, bloop,
Bloop, bloop. Bye, Jeffrey.
What's up?
So we back.
We are back.
All right, so
So we finished the challenge. We didn't record when we told them that it was a prank or whatever. But overall, it was fun. It was entertaining.
extra
It was very entertaining.
They was like, what y'all doing?
My kids just kept
Why
wondering why we
y'all
talking like that and all this other stuff like that. So yeah.
Yeah, but it was super fun, super cool. Like, her baby daddy was like, what you doing?
Why you acting like you doing it?
Because she is not that baby mama, y'all.
No, I'm not.
No, that was very hard for us to do. It was harder for her.
It was so challenging for me because I'm not like that at all. Like,
my voice is already that, I don't know, that high pitch.
pitch.
No, y'all, it was pretty cool. If y'all like that, just make sure y'all comment below. Let us know how y'all felt about it.
Yeah, let us know how we did, you know, because we tried, okay?
Yeah, we did. We really tried. Okay, girl, don't do it.
Yes.
But no, y'all, we can't wait to take this off. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all the fits. You know, this is what we did or whatever. With all that Ratchet, baby. We was living Ratchet. I was Joy Lacia, Joy Nisha.
I'm so dead.
This DiamondxJoy. Stop playing.
I cannot.
Okay.
I cannot.
But
yes,
if
please,
y'all
if you
enjoyed
like
this
this
video,
video, give us a thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe.
Stop playing.
Don't do that.
Bye.